Join me as I take on the challenge of believing in myself like never before with this powerful guided meditation. Believing in ourselves is a fundamental aspect of personal growth. It's the foundation upon which we build our confidence, our self-worth, and our ability to take risks and pursue our dreams. And that's exactly what we're going to focus on today, cultivating that self-belief through a powerful guided meditation. Get comfortable, take a deep breath in, and let's get started. We've all been there, stuck in a cycle of self-doubt, wondering if we're good enough, smart enough, or talented enough. It's a paralyzing feeling that can hold us back from achieving our true potential. We second-guess our decisions, our abilities, and our worth. We let fear and uncertainty creep in, making it impossible for us to move forward. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break free from. And the worst part is, it's often our own negative self-talk that's the culprit, reinforcing those feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. But here's the thing, we're not alone in this struggle. Every single person, regardless of their background, their skills, or their achievements, has faced self-doubt at some point in their lives. Even the most confident and successful people have had to overcome their own fears and uncertainties. So, the question is, what sets them apart? What enables them to push past those feelings of self-doubt and achieve their goals? The answer is simple, it's their ability to believe in themselves. Self-doubt is a natural part of the human experience, but it's how we respond to it that matters. We can choose to let it define us, or we can choose to overcome it. We can choose to focus on our strengths, our accomplishments, and our worth. We can choose to believe in ourselves, even when the voices of doubt and fear try to tell us otherwise. So, how do we cultivate this self-belief? How do we overcome those negative thoughts and replace them with positive, empowering ones? Well, it all starts with our mindset. We need to shift our focus away from what we can't do and towards what we can do. We need to celebrate our strengths, our achievements, and our worth. We need to practice self-compassion, self-forgiveness, and self-love. And most importantly, we need to learn to silence that negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to relax, to let go of any tension or stress. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the ground, supported by the earth beneath you. Imagine a warm, comforting light filling your body, starting at the crown of your head and flowing down to your toes. As this light travels through your body, it dissolves any feelings of self-doubt, any fears, any uncertainties. It fills you with confidence, with self-worth, with a deep sense of believing in yourself. Imagine yourself standing tall, proud, and confident. See yourself achieving your goals, overcoming challenges, and celebrating your successes. Hear yourself affirming your worth, your strengths, and your abilities. Feel the energy of self-belief coursing through your veins, empowering you to take action, to pursue your dreams, and to live the life you've always wanted. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to reflect on how you're feeling. Notice any shifts in your mindset, any changes in your energy. Remember, believing in yourself is a choice that you can make every single day. It's not about being perfect, it's about being willing to take risks, to learn from your mistakes, and to grow. Believe in yourself, because you are capable, you are strong, and you are worthy. Remember to keep practicing this meditation, to cultivate that self-belief, and to share your experiences with others. Thanks for joining me on this journey of self-discovery. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments below how this meditation has impacted you, and what you're looking forward to achieving with your newfound self-belief. See you in the next video.